demo video for sliding cupping. So right before you start sliding cupping, you want to put some baby oil or massage oil on the person that you're working on, or the person you're helping with, either your partner or your friend or a loved one. And you're just checking for any open wounds, scars, anything that you don't want to be cupping on. So slight pressure, this is light pressure right here, and this is just sliding cupping. One pump, and you're just sliding it down, up and down the upper border of the lower upper back, and then all the way down to the lower back. And this is just slight pressure. You're not going super hard, and it'll come loose again, so you have to pump it again. That's what I'm doing right now, and I'm just rubbing it up and down the paraspinal muscles. So those are these muscles that are directly to the left and to the right of your spine. So I'm just rubbing, and you'll notice that the skin has become just a little bit red. That's all very normal. So this is very good for, say, when you feel a cold or a cough, something chesty going on. It'll just clear up that phlegm, or if you're at the tail end of a cold, that area sits right above the lungs. So it works very similar to chiropractic. So when you're getting blood flow to these areas on your upper and lower back, it actually correlates to the organs, because you have nerves that run to your organs as well. So you have heart, liver, lung, large intestine, digestion as well. So you just by stimulating that upper and lower back, you're actually getting blood flow to your organs as well, not just releasing the muscles of your upper and lower back. So right now it's getting a little bit red, and that's not to be concerned. Again, don't worry about it. It's very, very normal. It'll go in a couple days. So it shouldn't feel painful though. Even though it is red, the person shouldn't feel painful. So you're running up and down, and at some point it'll get red enough. You can do this up to probably about 2 minutes. And it feels different than stationary cupping, which we'll do in a second as well. Toward the end of the video here, I'm actually tracing her scapula, which is the triangle where your shoulders are. So you can even do that as well, because a lot of times you have tension that builds up that can lead up to shoulder pain, other things like that. So you can do both sides, left side and right side as well. That'll loosen up the fascia on both sides as well. So it's not, again, don't be worried about the red marks. It should go away in a couple of days. Just make sure you don't overdo it. Again, this is just for light cupping. So all right guys, that's it, and that was sliding cupping.